Hello peeps, Mr. ATC once again back to you, and today I'm gonna present to you something very useful, especially for Christmas when you are trying to create some candles holder, the Forstner bits. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take just a piece of wood, a piece of scrap wood that I have in my workshop. Then we're gonna create some holes in order to insert our candles. Alright, let's go. And here are the different bit size that I'm using in my workshop. Here I have 35mm, 30mm, 20 and 15. And as you can see, we also have some kind of bevel recess at the end of it that is allowing me to put in my drill machine. And here, in order to start drilling, I will be using the 15mm. And if you are planning on doing the same, I will advise you to always take a look at the drill itself in order to see if it's matching with your candles. Alright, so now it's time for me to drill all the different holes. And as I will be using different size of candles, here I'm changing to another size of Forstner bits. Then, now that I'm done with this plank, I will be moving to the other one. And for the other one, I will be using the 35mm in order to create some big holes. But before that, I will be of course taking the different measurements in order to know exactly where to place them. Then, after that, I can start drilling. Then, in order to round up a little bit the edges in the different holes, I will be here using my router machine. Now that I have the different holes created in the two different boards, I will be going to my miter saw in order to cut each of the side of the plank actually, to make sure that I have for one 50 centimeter and the other one is around 60 centimeter. Then after that, moving to a little bit of sanding, applying a little bit of varnish. Then here we are with some very nice candle holder for Christmas time.